currently staying in Chennai. I completed my BE Computer Science in JPR Engineering College, this is 2024. And by getting the interest to learn Java full stack development, by my friend's suggestion, I chose JSpiders. It is a great platform to learn technologies like Java full stack development, testing courses, and other technologies. Here, the Java staffs are so supportive for the students to learn Java frameworks. The staffs are Shubham sir, Pawan sir, Srikanth sir, Vikram sir are so supportive for the students to learn Java. And Rajul sir is helpful to learn SQL. And for technologies, Rajkumar sir was teaching us and make us practice a lot. And the special mention to Ramar sir and Srikanth sir to make us practice aptitude and web technology, aptitude and Java and web technologies. It is a great platform to learn technologies. Thank you.